Alright guys, thanks for tuning into this Diagnostic World video. In this video we're going to do a short and quick demonstration of the icarsoft CR Pro diagnostic tool, which is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. So we're in a little Toyota here and we have the airbag light showing on the dashboard here. So we're just going to show you how to use this tool really simply to diagnose the airbag fault and see if we can get rid of the airbag light from the dashboard. So from the main menu here, we're going to click on to Diagnostics. We're going to click on to Toyota. We'll find our vehicle, which is Toyota's generally right at the bottom. No, it's not. Unless I've gone way past it. Oh, there it is. Toyota. Other area, because we're not in Japan and we're not in North America, but obviously if you are in those locations, that's what you'd select. Click on to manual, click on to SRS airbag, and then we'll click into read fault code. So you can see we've got a fault code coming up here, B1821. If you weren't necessarily sure exactly what that meant, a quick search on Google would give you the answer. It's got a description here of open inside squib right hand circuit. So the squib is underneath the driver's seat on the right hand side, so that's where we are now. So we checked under there was a faulty or loose connection in fact, so we put that back together. Airbag light is still on, but what we need to do now is click on to clear fault memory, and that should refresh the system and allow us to erase the codes and get rid of this airbag light. So when I click enter here, just keep an eye on the airbag light. There we go, all gone off. On screen we have a message saying erase operation done, and it's all good. You can turn the beeping off on the screen if you want, but as I say, it covers a lot of makes and models. And it doesn't just do airbags, ABS, transmission, it does other systems as well. And we've also got another menu which opens it up to oil service reset, electronic park and brake, battery registration, electronic throttle control, steering angle sensor, and DPF for applicable vehicles. So I'm going to put the link, as I say, in the description and the comments box below this video. And if you are interested, just contact us through the website. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.